Welcome back, beautiful people, to Beautyistic. Today, I've got a little gem that promises to be a game changer for your eye makeup routine. Too Faced Shadow Insurance 24-Hour Eyeshadow Primer. This is a lightweight gel primer designed to lock in your eyeshadow for a full day, keep it waterproof, and help every shade pop with true intensity. It comes in a 0.2 fel tube with a handy doe-foot applicator for precise and seamless blending. When I first tried this primer, I was immediately impressed by its texture. The gel glides effortlessly across the eyelid without tugging or feeling sticky, which is always a relief because a primer that resists smooth application can make your makeup routine frustrating. The light coverage makes it perfect for all skin tones without leaving any visible residue. And it sets a great base that prevents creasing, fading, or smudging, even after a long day. I tested it through a variety of scenarios: long hours at work, a light outdoor workout, and even a short stroll in humid conditions. Each time, my eyeshadow stayed vibrant, crease-free, and intact. It's waterproof, which means no more midday smudges or raccoon eyes. And the Easy Blend doe-foot wand really does make application quick and precise, even for intricate eye looks. One minor downside is that the tube is on the smaller side, so if you're a daily user, it might run out faster than expected. Pros? The primer delivers true 24-hour wear, enhances the vibrancy of colors, prevents creasing, and is suitable for all skin types. The waterproof formula is a definite win for anyone with oily lids or those who live in humid climates. On the flip side, it's a bit pricey for the amount, and while the doe-foot applicator is convenient, the gel can sometimes be tricky to spread evenly if you apply too much at once. Considering value for money, this primer sits on the higher end of the spectrum, but the results justify the cost if you prioritize long-lasting, crease-proof eyeshadow that stays vibrant all day. Compared to some drugstore primers I've tested, Too Faced Shadow Insurance offers a more reliable waterproof hold and a more intense color payoff, though at a higher price point. The build quality is solid. The tube is sturdy and travel-friendly, and the formula is stable over time, showing no separation or drying out prematurely. While I haven't interacted with Too Faced customer support directly for this product, the brand has a strong reputation for handling inquiries and issues efficiently, which is always reassuring. If you're looking for alternatives that are more budget-friendly but still effective, there are other primers out there that perform decently for shorter wear, but they often lack the true waterproof and 24-hour claims that this one delivers. Overall, Too Faced Shadow Insurance excels in holding eyeshadow in place, intensifying pigment, and keeping your look flawless from morning to night. I would recommend it especially to makeup lovers who spend long hours in makeup, live in humid climates, or simply want their eyeshadow to look as fresh at 8 p.m. as it did at 8 a.m. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. You can find the purchase link in the description or comments below. And if you've already tried this primer, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment and let us know your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.